Kali si humst. Now humst. Get it right. Peace and salutations, y'all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl theonesaraho. Today I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this bomb unit that I was sent from A to Z WIG. And yeah, you know, short intro as always, so let's just get straight into the video. So just going ahead and unboxing it. This is the packaging that the unit comes in, a pink plastic bag. Going ahead and show you guys the info card on the front and the back. Feel free to pause the video if you want to read through it. And then it also comes with a little wig cap. So taking the unit out of the packaging and out of the hairnet, I just want to show you guys how it's constructed. The frontal is a 13x6 and there is a middle part pre-plucked, and it also comes with 2 clips on the side of the unit as well, and a little bit of lace in the back and 2 clips in the back to adjust the head straps. So doing a first run through, I'm just seeing how much shed hair I get from the first run through, and this is about how much I got the first time. And doing my second run through to see how much hair shedded. This is about how much hair shedded the second time. So there was a little bit of shedding, nothing major. Went ahead and put my wig on. Got the horses in the back. You ready? Going ahead and showing you guys the parting space with no manipulation. This is what it looked like. I was seeing if there was any baby hairs, but there is not, so you do have to pluck baby hairs on yourself in this unit if you would like to. The frontal comes from ear to ear. If you choose to wear it as a middle part, there was plenty of space on the lace, but if you want to wear this as a side part, there's definitely not enough lace to do so. So just a heads up if you'd like to wear this unit as a side part instead of a middle part. So this is what the wig looked like after plucking the hairline and cutting the lace. There was a little bit of shedding, as you guys saw earlier, but it was nothing major. So I decided to give the shedding a 4 out of 5. In terms of fullness, even after cutting layers in, the unit was still very full, so I gave it a 5 out of 5. Tangling, I did get a little bit of tangles, but all of them were super easy to comb out, so I gave it a 4.5 out of 5 because of that. In terms of the parting, I didn't pluck any of the parting that they had in the unit, and I went ahead and put in some baby hairs, and it was super easy to pluck the frontal, so I gave it a 5 out of 5 for that reason. Last but not least, the luster on this unit was definitely my favorite part about it. I love the color. Some 613 hairs look really yellow when you wear them, but I think that this one was definitely one of the more natural units that I've had, so I definitely would give it a 5 out of 5 for the color and the luster on the hair. So for my final thoughts on this unit, I decided to give it a 4.5 out of 5. Despite some of the tangling and shedding that did come from the unit, it was very well constructed. A few suggestions I would have if you were buying this unit: it doesn't really come layered. I had to go in and cut most of the layers in myself, so I definitely do think that it would have had more of a natural look to it if it was layered straight out of the packaging. So that was really the only caveat I had with the unit. The luster was wonderful. The tangling really was not that big of an issue. If you're looking for a nice summer wig to wear, I definitely would recommend getting this one. I definitely do think that it'd be long lasting as well. So if you're looking for a long lasting blonde wig that you don't have in your arsenal, go ahead, go on Amazon. This is really affordable, and get yourself one. As always, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them below in the comment section. Thank you for watching as always, and I will see you guys on my next video.